Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today Katrina's going to be opening some squishies. Yeah, so she's going to be opening some squishies.
Okay, I have
and these aren't slow rising like these necessarily. They're made with slime. Let me get the ones that are normal, like this one. Like the normal squishies. I'll get my cup in a minute. So now she'll be opening these. She's going her video.
Yep. Hi, SwiveCam. It's me back. I'm going to be opening 2 squishies. Ashlyn's with me.
Yeah, I'm making a video on my channel of her opening them.
Yeah, she's going to be opening the pink one.
Oh, okay, I'm opening one.
So, I'll go first.
And she gets to keep the slime, by the way.
Yeah, because these are mine.
Yeah, these are hers, and she really likes these.
Yeah, so. Okay.
Is this made with glitter? Is this the one I gave you?
No.
No? Okay, good. Okay, guys, so now we're going to start opening.
Guys, there
was a hair on it about it. Me too. Bothered. Okay, so now she's going to be opening her first squishy.
Okay, so I guess I'm just going to... we have this.
Yeah, so be careful with you guys if you ever do it.
Oh, I got it. Oh,
now you get to squeeze it out. It's my turn. I gotta be really careful.
it's coming out.
Oh, it's quite hard.
Quite hard. You just stop it.
Oh, oh my gosh.
It just popped out.
This is not that good of slime. What's inside of it? Oh, what is that?
Ugh.
Guys, this raw slime.
So this is how our slime. This is how
we made that one today. And here's that red I don't like this one.
Oh, mine came out perfect.
Mine didn't, guys. Look at mine.
Hers is like perfect. Mine is like the hardest thing ever.
Literally, no, it's the opposite. See, hers is pretty hard.
Ew, what is that?
Mine just has like.
Oh, this is dried.
I got it mold. So this is literally the hardest thing ever. It just ripped, and see, it just rips everywhere.
Don't get bad.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, we gotta get back.
Okay, so while I hold these, just melting on me.
Okay, there's lots of beads everywhere, just saying. See, like, this squishy's way better than those. Like, way better, right?
Hold yours.
Yeah.
The moldy one.
The moldy one. You made this one with Sabina?
What?
You made this one with Sabina?
No.
You didn't?
No.
What is this?
The moldy slime needs to go with it.
Yeah, you need to throw it in the trash.
No.
It's not good slime.
It's not moldy.
It's poopy.
Okay, just be poopy.
Okay, guys. That was pretty fun. It's moldy, though.
This is a real squishy
That's
here.
the best squishy ever.
But we won't be cutting this open.
Yeah, we will not be doing that. This is my first squishy.
Super slow rising.
You should review these on your channel. Like, really, all of my squishies can be like your squishies.
And we also got this.
And we got this. It's so cute.
We got the cute little koala bear in there.
It's so cute. It's not as slow rising as the other ones, but it's still good.
Like, even if you try to smash it, this is how it looks. It just goes back.
It's so awesome. I love this squishy so much.
My favorite is this cookie one.
My favorite one is that
ice
cookie one,
cream.
too. I love the cookie. What's ice cream?
What?
Oh, that's cookie.
That's a strawberry ice cream. This
This
is
is
a
a
cookie with
strawberry
ice cream.
cupcake. Not ice cream.
Ugh.
So, guys, those are all in my tub. Here's your moldy slime. I love you guys so much. Make sure you like
and
subscribe.
peace out. Subscribe, like, comment down below if
You
you
did that
have lots of
wrong.
squishies. So
Like, subscribe, comment down
Peace
below. The would you
out.
rather for
Thanks.
today? The would you
Bye.
rather for today is drumroll, please. In my last video, bye.